Update on our palm hedge here. This will be its third winter outside, and they are totally neglected, growing here along the front of our boulevard. Ouch! Those are Trachycarpus fortunei palms. They're all along here. There's clusters of them. They get no water. They get no fertilizer. They are completely neglected, and they are thriving in this berm here. Future Trachycarpus fortunei hedge, and this is an update on it. So that's what they look like. Planted them in clusters. This berry's up here too. So anyway, that's what they're looking like. So we'll give you another update in the spring.
This is where I weeded.
The Chinese windmill palm hedge.